session. All rise. Let's pray. Almighty God, we stand in your holy presence as our supreme judge. We humbly beseech you to bless and inspire us so that what we think, say, and do will be accordance with your will. Enlighten our minds, strengthen our spirit, and fill our hearts with fraternal love, wisdom, and understanding, so that we can become effective channels of the truth, justice, and peace. In our proceedings today, guide us with the path of righteousness for fulfillment in your greater glory. Amen.
Court now in session. Call all the cases.
For arraignment, criminal case no 38567, People of the Philippines versus Abalos for the crime of attempted rape, appearance for prosecution and defense counsel.
Member of the jury, your duty today will be determine whether the defendant is guilty or not guilty based on the facts and evidence provided in this case. The prosecution has been burdened of proving the guilt of the defendant beyond reasonable doubt. This burden remains on the prosecution through the trial. The prosecution must be proved that the crime was committed and that the defendant is the person who committed the crime. However, if you are not satisfied with the defendant's guilt to the extent, then the reasonable doubt exists and the defendant must be found not guilty. Mr. Clerk, what is today's case?
Your Honor, today's case is criminal case no 38567, People of the Philippines versus Abalos for the crime of attempted rape.
Prosecution ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
The defense ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Joshua Abalos, do you understand the crime charged against you?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is your plea?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
The accused plead not guilty, Your Honor.
Defense attorney, would you wish to state your cases?
As you heard, the defendant has been charged with the crime of attempted rape. On December 5, 2022, at about 10 o'clock in the evening, Miss Crisaline was walking home to their apartment, and then when she was near their apartment, a guy from behind suddenly pinned her and grabbed her to the wall, trying to harass her. According to Miss Crisaline, she had already noticed that someone from behind was following her, and that made her in fear and started walking fast. But as she started to walk fast, the guy from behind pinned her to the wall and started touching her, trying to kiss her from her neck and touch her sensitive body parts. Miss Crisaline, on the other hand, tried to resist, while Mr. Velasquez suddenly came in to rescue her from the hands of Mr. Abalos. The state will provide convincing arguments that she knows this person and that it was Mr. Abalos, who intentionally and with strong motive to rape her. Thank you.
Prosecution, you may call your witness to witness stand.
May I call Mr. Dexter Velasquez in the witness stand?
Sir, in the witness.
Mr. Velasquez, please raise your hand. Do you swear that to tell the truth, all the truth, and nothing but the truth in this case?
Yes, sir. Please state your name and other personal circumstances.
I am Mark Exarnef Velasquez, 25 years old, age single, a student of Pinlac University, Calasiao, Pangasinan, a resident of Parongking, San Miguel, Pangasinan.
Will you please tell on this honorable court where you were on December 5, 2022 at around 10 o'clock in the evening?
I was working around our apartment at Unit 333, Ringo Apartment, Padre Bless Street, Ferrer, Calasiao.
What are you doing outside your apartment late at night?
I was about to buy my cigarette at the store of Ate Mimi.
Who was with you at that particular time at night?
I was alone to buy my own cigarette.
And how did you saw Miss Chrysalis being raped by Mr. Abalos?
She tried to resist at the touch of and kisses of Mr. Abalos, and she looked so helpless at the time. Her uniform button is almost out and her bra was already visible, so I made my attack to help us.
How did you know that it was Mr. Abalos?
I see in my own eyes, and since there was still light shading the areas where Miss Chrysalis was about to rape, and he was wearing the same uniform since he is my classmate, and I saw his shoes where is he always wear in our class. I knew it was the shoes he always wear since we attend the same class together.
What uniform is this? And what shoes is this?
The uniform is polo red with logo of engineering pair with pants, and the shoes is a pair of Jordan white.
How long do you know Mr. Abalos?
Almost 3 years because we are blackmates since first year college na.
So, if the accused inside the courtroom, would you be able to identify and point to him?
Yes, ma'am. There.
That is all, Your Honor.
Defendant, you want to cross-examine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Proceed.
Mr. Witness, how could you prove that you were at that time and particular place?
I took a picture of the moon at that night where I could prove the place in that time.
Where it is? No further question, Your Honor.
Witness, you may lay down this step. Witness. Prosecution, you have a witness?
Yes. May I call Mr. Minho Rosario to the stand?
Mr. Miko Rosario, please raise your hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, all the truth, and nothing but the truth in this case?
I do.
State your name and other personal circumstances.
I am Nico M. Rosario, 23 years old, a resident of Cabaldatan, Calasiao, Pangasinan. Mr. Abalos is my roommate.
How long have you been rooming with Mr. Abalos?
Almost 5 months.
Are you friends with him?
No.
Do you think Mr. Abalos can do this to Miss Chrysalis?
Yes, Your Honor.
How?
I always see him stalking Miss Chrysalis to the Facebook, and one time he told me that he will be her boyfriend. Even I caught him kissing her picture through his cell phone.
No further question, Your Honor.
Defendant, you want to cross-examine?
No, Your Honor.
Witness, you may lay down the witness stand. Attorney Monada, you may call your next witness.
May I call Miss Chrysalis Manundo to the stand?
Ms. Manundo, please raise your hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, all the truth, and nothing but the truth in this case?
I I do.
So please state your name.
Crisalin Malono, 20 years old, single, a student of Pinlac University, Calasiao, Pangasinan, a resident of Bunlan, Calasiao.
What are you doing at 10 o'clock in the evening?
I was going in our apartment that time.
And that is the time when Avalos tried to rape you?
Yes.
What did he do to you?
He pinched me on the wall and tried touching me, but I kept on resisting.
What happened next?
I was afraid because I thought no one helped me, but someone from behind helped me and punched him at the face.
No further question. Your Honor.
Defense counsel, you may cross-examine.
No, Your Honor.
Plaintiff raise her case.
Witness, you may lay down the witness stand. Defense counsel, you may present your case to the jury.
I call Joshua Abalos to the stand.
Mr. Avalos, you may go to witness stand.
Mr. Avalos, please raise your hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, all the truth, and nothing but the truth in this case?
I do.
State your name.
Joshua Avalos.
Do you attempt to rape Miss Crisalin?
No.
Do you think Miss Crisalin was saying the truth?
She is not saying the truth.
Are you close to her?
No, but she a long time crush and obsession with me.
Objection, Your Honor. That is not true.
Objection sustained.
Can you prove where you are at 10 p.m. in the evening?
I was in our apartment studying.
Who was with you?
My friend.
I have no further question, Your Honor.
Attorney Moneda, do you wish to cross-examine the witness?
Yes, I do.
Proceed.
What are you studying at that night?
Physics.
But it's not related to your course.
No.
No further question. Your Honor.
Accused, you may lead the witness to witness stand. Defense attorney, you may follow next witness.
I call Ruick Versosa in the witness stand.
You may go to the witness stand.
Mr. Versosa, please raise your hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, all the truth, and nothing but the truth in this case?
Yes, I do.
Attorney, you may examine.
State your name and personal circumstances.
Rubik Versosa, 23 years old, student in Pinang University in Calasiao, Pangasinan.
Are you close to Mr. Avalos?
Yes, he is my longtime friend.
Where were you at 10 p.m. in the evening, December 5, 2022?
I was in the apartment
What apartment?
at my friend Joshua apartment.
So you are with him?
Yes,
What are you two doing?
we are studying.
prosecution, do you wish to examine? Cross-examine?
Yes. Can you tell where exactly are you in his apartment?
At his room.
And you are studying?
Yes.
Why are you studying with him?
I went to help him with his subject.
What subject?
Art appreciation.
No further question, Your Honor.
You may be dismissed. No further witness?
No, Your Honor.
Yes, very good.
No, Your Honor.
Further. Well, the defendant, please stand, Mr. Joshua Abalos. You may read the verdict.
As for the charges against Mr. Joshua Abalos, Your Honor will be find as follow Mr. Joshua Abalos as guilty of the crime of attempted rape.
Thank you everyone. Your court is adjourned. Order to the court.